Hello friends, welcome to English Grammar and Literature World. Today I am going to discuss about some confusional prepositions and their uses, which is very easy but we are not able to answer it correctly. So let's start. The necklace is made dash gold. Option A by, option B from, option C in, or option D of. Which one is right? Actually, the right answer is option D, of. But why of is right answer? See, the preposition of is used to indicate the material that the necklace is composed of. Okay? Essentially stating that the primary material used to create the necklace is actually gold. So if there is no certain change in the process, or there is no chemical change in the process, we have to use of, not from. Okay, next, cheese is made dash milk. Of milk, by milk, from milk, or in milk. Which one is right? Actually the right answer is option C, from. But why from and why not of? So look, making cheese from milk is a, you can say, chemical change. Okay, because this process is undergoes certain changes. That's why we have to use from, not of. If you think that you want to restore milk, okay, from cheese, you are not able, because this process is undergoes something change. So that's why we have to use from, not of. Next, the house is made dash bricks. With bricks, from bricks, of bricks, or by bricks. So by is not the right answer, but the right answer is option C, of. Why of? Because of is used to indicate the material that the house is made. Okay, so if you want to restore bricks from your house, then you are able, because this process is not going to some chemical change. It is just a change which from which you can restore the bricks. That's why option B, from, is not the right answer. Okay, next, Deepak killed the dog dash a stick. Option A with, option B by, option C in, or option D from. Which one is right? The right answer is option A, with. Actually, when we use some instrument or tools, then we have to use with. So if you use instruments, or you can say tools, okay, you have to use with. So Deepak killed the dog with the stick. But if Deepak killed the dog by his hand, then we have to use by, not with. Okay, next, he wrote the letter dash a pen. By pen, in pen, from pen, or with pen. I think you know this answer, because we have already discussed about the use of with. So here is a pen is a tool. Okay, then that's why we have to use with. We have to use with. So The right answer is option D, with, not option B, in, not option C, from, and by. Next. Next. Glass is made dash sand. By sand, from sand, of sand, and with sand. Actually, by is inappropriate. So we have to eliminate this answer. Okay. From and of. And with is same, not appropriate. So we have to eliminate this answer. Now, the option from and of. Which one is right? So actually, you know this answer. Because here is sand and glass. If you have any experience about the glass making process, or yes, then you are able to answer. The glass is made from actually sand, which is a chemical change. Okay. Chemical transformation. It is a chemical transformation. We are not able to restore sand from glasses. That's why we have to use from, not of. Okay. Next. Okay, just calling down. Okay. Next. Rahul was born dash 1991. On, in, off, from. Which one is correct? The correct answer is option B, in. Now the question says why in? Because in is used with years, months, centuries, and with long period. Okay, but 1991 is not a fixed period. It is just a year. Okay, that's why we have to use in, not on. If I said that Rahul was born 5th March 1991, then I have to use on, not in, because it is a fixed date. Okay. Next is the same. Raju was born dash April 17. So look, it is a fixed date. Okay, then we have to use on. There is actually it is a fixed date. When there is any fixed date, then you have to use on, not in. Okay. Next part. The table is made dash wood. I think it is very easy and you are able to answer it. By, from, in, or of. Which one is right? So the right answer is option D, of. Because table is not a chemical change. Okay. You are able to restore wood from table. So that's why we have to use of, not from. Okay. Next. She hit the ball dash a bat. With, by, from, or against. So look, it is the same thing, because she hit the ball with a bat. The right answer is option A, with. Because a bat is an tools. It is a tool. Okay. If he used his own hands, then we have to use by, not with. But she hit the ball with a bat. It is an instrument or it is a tool. That's why we have to use with, not from. Okay. Next. Okay. Virat was born dash 5th November 1988. So it is the same thing. The use of in or on. I think you are able to answer it. 5th November 1998. It is a fixed date. Sorry. It is a fixed date. So which one is right? Option A. on is the right answer. Next, the juice is made dash mango. In mango, of mango, or from mango. So look, in and with are not the right answers. That's why we have to eliminate this. And there is a confusion of or from. Look, the juice is made from mango because it undergoes certain change. Okay, you are not able to restore mango from juice. That's why we have to use from, not of. Next, Mr. Roy was blind dash one eye. Which one is right? By one eye, in one eye, of one eye, or with one eye? So the right answer is option B, in. Why in? Because in used when describing blindness in the eye. Okay, in is used when describing blindness. Also, it is a fixed preposition. Blind in is a fixed preposition. That's why we have to use in, not of, or not by, not with. Next, okay, next, she is in love dash me. By me, in me, of me, or with me? So the right answer is, you know it, the right answer is with. But why with? With is a prepositional phrase. Okay, so love with is a prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase. So, and with, love with indicates the object of affection. Okay, that's why we have to use with, not by, not in, not of. Okay, the house is made dash him. From him, by him, of him, or with him. So look, the sentence is written in passive form. So it is a very easy and everybody knows the answer. As the sentence is written in passive form, so the right answer is option B, by. Okay, the by is the right answer. And this is the last one. Okay, she was born dash 29th February. Actually, we have already discussed about it, and I think you all know the answer. And let me know in comment what is the right answer. This is for you. In, from, of, or on. Okay, okay. If you think that this video is good for your exam purposes, then please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching.